With COVID-19 leading to the cancellation of many clinics and hospital shifts, medical students across the country are now forced to take their instruction online.
But one local medical school has a unique solution. Our Katrin Asaf is live at UAMS with more on the COVID-focused course. Hi, Katrin.
Donna, Kevin, with how confusing COVID-19 can be, don't you just wish that there was a course that covered the basics? Well, turns out there is one, and it's offered completely online. What was once a course just for UAMS medical students is now open to the general public, and all it takes is a will to learn and a computer.
They saw the need to learn this.
When the University of Arkansas for Medical Sciences moved their students online in March, professors ran into trouble with their third and fourth year students who would normally be learning in the field.
We were sort of left scrambling, figuring out how are we going to do what we can virtually until we can get them back into the hospital and the clinics.
Hello everyone, and welcome to your next session in the COVID-19 module.
The solution was to teach them about the pandemic they were in and design a comprehensive class centered around the coronavirus.
We should design a virtual course to teach them everything we could teach them about COVID.
When the two-week course first launched, it was only for more advanced students.
The initial motivation was for our seniors that we knew were about to go out and take care of patients.
But is now being offered to all medical students and has even been shared across the state.
We then offered it to hospitals throughout Arkansas and to their medical staff and nursing staffs.
One of the unique challenges of teaching a course on COVID-19 is how quickly the material can change as we learn more about the virus every day.
Having put this together in March and April, things have changed. We've changed parts of the modules to keep it up to date.
Now, portions of the course are available to the public, so everyone can learn about this widespread disease and how to live with it.
Learning good infection control techniques is important even when the pandemic is over.
Now, if you would like to take the course for yourself or are just interested in COVID-19 in general, we'll have a link to that on our website. Reporting in Little Rock, Katrin Asaf. Kevin.